Let us understand declarative API. What we mean by declarative API in microservices world or cloud native world is when we define what we want, the system itself can deliver the desired outcome instead of we defining the individual steps of doing it. For example, if you want to upgrade from one version to the other version, we don't need to tell individual commands on how it should be upgraded. System can automatically identify what need to be done. Let us see the different explanations around it. A declarative process is a process where we describe a desired outcome and the system internally implements the functionality to satisfy the desired outcome. It does internally. An imperative process is where we tell how to do something, and then declarative is where we tell what to do something. So this is how we can simplify the management of the internal application statuses. A declarative API is an important capability of Kubernetes. With the declarative configuration allows us to define the state we expect. Say for example, there are 3 instances of one service. We can say we need 5 instances. So it will automatically create the remaining 2 instances. We don't need to execute commands to install a service, make this up and all. So it will internally do this. Kubernetes can complete the process of reconciling from the actual state to the desired state without outside interference, which is the core capability of the orchestration of Kubernetes. So how it does is it takes a, suppose this is the state one, first state, and we want a desired state or the expected state. So what it will do is we declare this in some configuration file. The system reads this configuration file and then it identifies the gap, and it once it identifies the gap, it will identify the steps how to fulfill this gap. So run this command, run this command, run this command, run this command, upload this, like this, and then it will take from this state to this state once we declare it, which is enough. Declaration is enough instead of we identify how to do it. Okay, so this is how Kubernetes provides this orchestration capability in a declarative way.